Hey guys, so the semi truck just dropped off the Evo, and to my luck, it does not run and drive the way the auction stated it did. So now I'm waiting for a smaller tow truck to be able to get this to my garage. The car turns on, it just doesn't stay on. Do a quick walk around for you guys. The body overall is in okay shape. The driver's side has discoloration on the white and on different panels. This inside, overall, it's in okay shape. Seats are in decent condition. Carpet's a little beat up. Needs a new shift knob. It's kind of beat up. The previous person had a real nice grip on it. It's got this steel wire that's holding on to the auction key. Front bumper, grill, and the lower lip. It's got some nice wheels on the back. It's got a different style of BBS wheels in the front. Looks like the originals. We got a mother duck and a father duck who are probably going to attack me if I get too close to them right now. But essentially, I think the car will clean up pretty well. I noticed that there's a couple electrical wires that are loose in the engine bay, and there's also a bolt that's off of the manifold. So I don't want to get too close to these guys right now, but I'll show you guys in a minute what's going on in the engine bay once these little guys walk on by. Now that the little Canadian Goose family has walked off in a safe distance where I won't get attacked, I can show you the engine bay. So, other than the intake, it looks fairly stock. This right here is what I first noticed when I opened the hood. I'm not sure what that is. Now we've got two cables that are just having a party on their own on this side. I don't know what this is either. And I think part of it just broke off. So let me show you this area back here. This is what I noticed when I first looking back here. One of the bolts is just completely off. Maybe I'll put that one there. Looks about right. Truck is here, loaded up.